Do you want to know how you can sign for bitalpha.ai? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for bitalpha.ai. Go ahead and search for bitalpha.ai, scroll a bit down, and click on this link over here. After you click on this link, you can see that you will be led to the login portal directly, or you can click login, which is over here, and click continue, and this is the login portal. But in order for you to log in, you must create an account. So go to the official page of bitalpha.ai, write down your first name, your last name, your email address, write down your phone number over here, and click register. This way you can register your bitalpha.ai. Sometimes it might not work according to your country's location, and if it doesn't work, you can use other options. So guys, this is how you sign up for bitalpha.ai. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.